Hi all, welcome back to Java 8 Stream API interview coding series. So this is the second question of the series. The question is find all odd numbers from the given list using Java 8 Stream API. So the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the expected output is 1, 3, 5, 7. So before we jump into coding part, let's first understand the thinking approach before the solution. So once the logic is clear, writing the stream API code in IntelliJ IDEA becomes very much easy. So let's first see the thinking approach. Now let's see the actual logic before we write the coding part. So we have list of integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we read each element from the list. So currently we have 1. So we are going to check whether 1 modulo 2 not equals to 0. If it is true, this means it is odd number, else it is even number. So since here it is true, we are going to add it into list. So output will be 1. So next element is 2. So 2 modulo 2 not equals to 0, its condition is false. So since it is even number, we are not going to add it into list. So currently at this stage, we are having 1 as an element into the list. So the next element is 3. So 3 modulo 2 not equals to 0, condition is satisfying. So it will add it into list. So here at this stage, the list elements will be 1 and 3. So this will continue till the end of the list and finally we will get result as 1357. So this is just a theoretical approach. Now let's move into the coding part. So let's start with IntelliJ IDEA. So here I have created a class called find odd numbers which contains main methods. So inside this main methods I have list of integer with values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 8 elements. So let me just try to introduce a local variable. It contains a list of integers and rename the list of integers as numbers. So our requirement was from this list we want odd numbers using Java 8 Stream API. How to do that? Let's see. So we have numbers. First we need to convert it into Stream API method. So Stream API method converts our list into a stream so that we can perform stream operations like filter, map, sorted and many other things. So once we apply here stream method, we are having the pipeline methods of Stream API. So here you can see different methods are there: collect, filter, map, reduce. But for our requirement, we need filter method. So filter accepts predicate. So predicate means it is functional interface, and functional interface means it contains single abstract methods. So since it is contains single abstract methods, we can use lambda expressions for this filter method. So how to do that? Let's see. So inside this filter, we are going to write the lambda expressions, and the logic for even odd number is number modulo 2. If it is equal to 0, it means it is even number, else it is odd number. But for our requirement, we need to find odd numbers, right? So this condition will be not there. So we need to write number modulo 2 if it is not equal to 0, which means it is odd number. So since we are getting the odd numbers, then we need to collect that odd numbers. So here we are having the method as collect, which contains collector class. Inside this collector class, we are having toList method. So this toList method, it will give us the new list. So if we try to introduce a local variable for this, it will give us odd numbers list. So if we try to print the value of odd numbers, we will get the odd numbers list. So let's try to run the program. So when we try to run this program, now we will get the odd numbers list. See, we got 1, 3, 5, 7. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java and see you in the next video.